And my first guest joins us from Milwaukee, Mr. Russell Mitchell. He's the CEO of PuraMed BioScience Incorporated, stock symbols PMBS. Russ, great to have you on the program.
Thank you, Don. It's a pleasure to be here.
Now, PuraMed BioScience describes itself as a company engaged in the development and marketing of non-prescription medicinal or healthcare products for use in various ailments, primarily in the United States. Can you give us a general overview of the company, please?
Sure. We specialize in developing new non-prescription treatments for a number of self-limiting disease states. We work with headaches, insomnia, acne, things like that. We don't work with cancer treatments or heart disease. Our specialty is actually developing new delivery methods for existing compounds to better treat the diseases.
Well, one of your products, LipiGesic M, that provides acute relief from migraine headaches, is widely available in like 15,000 retail outlets like Walgreens. Tell us about LipiGesic M.
Sure, that's a great product. You're right, we are now available in about 8,000 Walgreens across the country and about 7,000 CVS stores across the country, and we're actually adding distribution daily. LipiGesic M is a treatment for migraine headaches. It's actually a homeopathic gel. This is the package, how it looks at the store. And what it is, it's actually, instead of a pill, we actually pour the gel, take it out of this dispenser, and pour it right under your tongue. And it works very effectively because of the sublingual delivery. We recently had a clinical study published by 3 of the top researchers in the United States, and it was published in the journal Headache. And it showed that our treatment was highly effective and very safe. So it's definitely a breakthrough treatment for migraine headaches in the United States and across the world. We've already helped thousands of people, and we expect it to help millions more.
Russell, are there any industry estimates as to the number of people in the United States who are suffering from migraines?
Yes, there are. There are about 50 million people in the United States that suffer from migraine headaches. In fact, it's the most costly brain disorder, and it cost the United States economy about $31 billion in 2010. There's about 5 million children in the United States that suffer from migraine headaches, and there's no real treatment for them right now other than an aspirin and a cold pack. So it's a very widespread problem. We have another key point is a lot of veterans coming back from Afghanistan and Iraq suffer twice as likely from migraine headaches. And as far as like emergency rooms, things like that, every 10 seconds, somebody in the United States is going into the emergency room to get treated for a migraine headache. So it's a very debilitating, very costly disease, and we believe we've found a way to treat it successfully.
Well, now your product's delivery system is called Sublingual, or under the tongue. Why is that advantageous?
Well, sublingual delivery is actually a very efficient way to deliver drugs. The only more efficient way is to actually do a direct intravenous injection. So it's a very fast-acting, very efficient delivery method. It's basically absorbed in the capillaries underneath the tongue. It works very fast. It also avoids what's called the first pass effect. Normally when you take a pill, it goes into your stomach, it's broken down, then it goes into your liver where it's filtered, and then whatever is left after that is actually in the bloodstream available to help your whatever ailment you have. By delivering it sublingually, we don't have that breakdown, so we can use much less as far as our actives. That cuts dramatically down on our side effects, and it helps deliver the drugs much faster.
Can you tell us about some of the other products that the company has in the pipeline?
Sure. We've got 2 other products in the LipiGesic line. LipiGesic H, which is another sublingual gel for tension-type headaches. Our migraine product doesn't work on anything other than migraine headaches. So we developed a separate tension-type headache product, which is LipiGesic H. And then we also have another gel for insomnia called LipiGesic PM. Now, in addition to that, we also have a brand new acne product that literally changes the treatment time from weeks to days. So it's a very fast-acting acne treatment. We have a product for arthritis. We have access to another product for ADHD in children and adults, as well as a complete line of medicated suckers. So we have plenty of products to launch into the United States.
Well, the Wall Street Journal recently published an in-depth article about migraines and the race for treatments. Now, this kind of media attention has to be good for both LipiGesic M and the company as well.
Oh, sure. I mean, migraines are a huge problem. They're often overlooked because they're not a life-threatening disease, but they still cost the economy a lot of money. Dr. Lipton, who was quoted in the article, was right in saying that there is a need for faster, more effective treatment for migraine headaches, and LipiGesic actually meets all the criteria that he stated in the article. LipiGesic is definitely the new breakthrough treatment for migraine headaches.
Well, Russell, what developments can we expect from the company over the next 18 months?
Well, it's a great time for us. Our national advertising just kicked off a couple of months ago, and it's doing very well. We expect to launch at least the LipiGesic H and the acne product in the next 18 months. We are expanding into international markets. We'll be continuing to expand our retail in the U.S., going into additional drugstores, mass merchandisers, food, convenience stores, the military. It's a beautiful thing for us. We're continuing to expand our detailing to doctors and other medical professionals and sampling them and letting them know about this new product. We've had great results from our sampling programs with the medical professionals, and we're planning on expanding even more of that. So it's a great time for us. Lots of stuff going on. We've got 2 scientific papers coming out. We've got 1 additional study that's going to be coming out talking about our effectiveness on adults. And we also have an ongoing study for children right now, and we expect to be the first product really recommended for children in the United States, which is very exciting. LipiGesic offers so many advantages, whether it's speed, efficacy, safety. There's a whole host of items that we improve on over the existing treatments, so we're very excited about it. We're planning on making even more noise than what we are right now. So it's a great time for us.
PuraMed BioScience, PMBS is their stock symbol. Russell, why is this a good time right now for people to take a closer look at your company?
Well, we're just starting to make the noise. Nobody's really heard about us yet. We've got a lot of things happening, whether it's the publication of the 2 studies that are coming out, the continued recognition from key associations like the National Headache Foundation and others. Doctors around the country, not just local doctors, but real headache specialists, are starting to realize the benefit of this product in their practice. It's a great first-line therapy. We're doing the real science behind it. We continue to growing. It's early in the stage right now, so our retail expansion is going on. Our international distribution is going on right now. So we've got a great array of things happening. We have help from people like you to help tell the people about who we are and what we're doing. So it's a perfect time for people to get in and take a good hard look at us and watch us grow.
PuraMed BioScience Incorporated, PMBS is their stock symbol. Russell, we've initiated coverage of the company. Be following you very closely over the next several weeks. Looking forward to more updates during that period of time. Thanks so much for joining us on the show.
Thanks, Don. I appreciate your help.